All right, so we did a video where we tried the 800 against the 3601, and the 800 came a little short. And I don't know if it was on a shorter video, but it's on my channel. So we had, at that time, we had a 2 amp hour battery on the 800 and a 2 amp hour on the 3601. But the 3601 sunk it. This time we got a 5 amp hour battery, speed 2 drill mode, and another 10-inch Timberlock screw. This is 4x4 pressure treated lumber. We're going to see if we can sink it this time with this drill. Batteries do matter, absolutely. And it sunk it very, very, very easy. So a little more power with the 5 amp hour battery. So yeah, again, what can I say?